New on the site, this was posted earlier this week, are this beautiful Druzy Agate bracelets. See if I can zoom in. You can see these gorgeous little caves. It's really a lot of beautiful neutral color variations. My favorite are the little caves. And I've got some rainbow quartz or rainbow jasper on mine. So there it is with Rainbow Jasper and the Druzy Agate. Those fun little caves. And let me show it to you. Oh my gosh, this is another favorite. Okay, so here it is with Dendritic Quartz. I just love the playfulness of both of these pieces with the little caves. And then in the Dendritic Quartz, the little trees. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. You can see all the little tree formations.